To integrate Afterpay with WooCommerce, start by installing the Afterpay Payment Gateway plugin from the WordPress plugin directory or by uploading it manually to your website. Once installed, activate the plugin and navigate to the WooCommerce settings page to configure the Afterpay integration. First, you need to obtain an Afterpay API key, which can be found in your Afterpay merchant account. Copy and paste the API key into the corresponding field in the WooCommerce Afterpay settings page. Next, select the payment method you want to offer to your customers, such as Pay in 4 or Pay in 30. Configure the payment settings to determine the minimum and maximum order amounts eligible for Afterpay financing. You can also choose to display the Afterpay financing options on the product page, cart page, or both. Make sure to test the integration by placing a test order to ensure that the Afterpay payment option is working correctly. Best practices for Afterpay WooCommerce integration include clearly displaying the Afterpay financing options and terms to your customers, ensuring that your website is secure and compliant with Afterpay's security requirements, and regularly updating the Afterpay plugin to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate Afterpay with WooCommerce and provide your customers with a flexible and convenient payment option. This can help increase conversions and average order value, while also reducing cart abandonment rates. With Afterpay, you can offer your customers the option to pay for their purchases over time, while you receive payment upfront.